Hey everyone, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Tuesday morning forecast update. Cold front continues to make progress through the region this morning, so it is carrying the rain away from us, and we are starting to clear out north of I-20, which is letting those temperatures plummet. And if you stepped outside already this morning, you know it is very cold, very breezy as well, and temperatures now dropping below freezing across much of the region. And again, I said it yesterday in our webcast, and I'll say it again today. Once we hit the winter months, December, January, February, we may not see a day as cold as what we are going to see today, with your temperatures likely in the 20s and 30s through the morning, and we will struggle to make it to 40 degrees this afternoon, but many locations will top out in the low 40s. So you can see the precipitation, the rain that's out there has moved south of the region. So at one point we did have the chance of maybe seeing some snow, but with the precipitation south of us this morning, we can put that to bed. So there's no issues as far as any winter precipitation here, but you can see where we're starting to clear out. We have a fall into 23 in Idabel, Texarkana at 27, Shreveport down to 32, and several more hours before we hit sunrise as of this taping here. So we will likely see some locations in the low 20s and rest of us in the mid 20s to start out this morning. The other story, maybe it woken you up, or you probably heard this this morning, the breezy conditions, north wind about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So if you factor in the wind speeds with the temperatures, wind chills teens or low 20s across much of the region. And as the temperatures drop, we could see wind chill temperatures 5 to 10 degrees north of I-20. So that's why we do have a wind chill advisory for most of northeast Texas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, including the Texarkana area. So it's just like a heat advisory. You kind of want to limit your time outside. Just uncomfortable temperatures for us this morning, but the wind speed should start to come back down a bit as we head through the afternoon, back down to about 5 to 10 miles per hour. So your highs today, Texarkana at 38, Shreveport at 42 degrees, Natchitoches at 41, and you see Futurecast here does pick up on the cloud cover nicely this morning, and with the breezy north wind pushing the dry air into the region, we should shake the clouds here pretty quickly this morning. So we're looking at all-day sunshine, but it is going to stay cold with those temperatures in the 40s. Starting out with some sun Wednesday, but we do have a disturbance that will try to make its way in Thursday. Out ahead of that, we could see increasing clouds late tomorrow and a slight chance of rain, mainly East Texas and Louisiana as we roll through the day Thursday. So we will break record lows tonight. Shreveport's record low is 27. I have us forecast down to 23 degrees. Texarkana, the record low is 24. You'll drop down to about 21. So I think we're just shy of hard freeze warning criteria. But again, we'll have freezing temperatures probably from 9 p.m. through about 7 a.m. tomorrow morning in a lot of these areas. So it's one of those things. Not only want to cover up the plants, bring in the pets, but if you have any exposed pipes, tonight's the night. You definitely want to take care of those and make sure those are insulated from the extended freeze that we will see through the overnight hours. And kind of chill continues this week. We'll be back into the low 50s. Should feel pretty nice if you're in the sunshine tomorrow, and not as many freezing temperatures Wednesday night and Thursday night, but that slight chance of rain Thursday feels pretty good this weekend, upper 50s and low 60s, and slight chance of rain. Didn't include it Sunday, but did put it in the forecast for early next week.